In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the IP address on Google Chrome. Changing your IP address is a handy skill that can help protect your privacy, access blocked content, or optimize your browsing experience. We'll walk through the simple steps to achieve this using a virtual private network, or VPN, which is a trustworthy way to keep your online activities more private and secure. To start, we're going to need to visit the Chrome Web Store. Think of the Chrome Web Store like a big shopping mall for apps that can be integrated directly into your Chrome browser. This is where you'll find a range of VPN providers that offer services to help you change your IP address. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, the next step is to find a VPN provider. There are many options out there, so it might feel a bit overwhelming. Some popular choices are NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and CyberGhost, but feel free to choose one that you feel comfortable with, especially if you're looking for particular features like speed or server locations. If you're unsure, you can always check out reviews or forums online to see what other users have to say about their experiences. Now that you've selected a VPN provider, you'll need to sign up for their service. This is where you create an account with them. Most VPNs have a variety of subscription plans available, so think about what suits your needs best. Whether it's a monthly or annual plan, always look for any free trials or money-back guarantees in case you want to test the waters first. After you've signed up, it's time to install the VPN application on your device. Download the app through the Chrome Web Store if it's available there, or directly from the provider's official website if necessary. The installation process is typically straightforward. Just follow the prompts, and you'll have it set up in no time. Now that everything's installed, let's open the VPN app on your device. You'll need to sign in using the account details you set up earlier. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with a list of server locations. This is where you get to pick a location that suits your needs. Selecting a server location is important because it directly affects your IP address. For example, if you want to stream content available in another country, choose a server located there. Once you've selected a server location, all that's left is to click Connect. And just like that, your device will use a new IP address associated with that server location. Remember, while VPNs are immensely helpful in protecting your online privacy and accessing different content, always ensure you're using them ethically and legally. And there you have it, a new IP address on Google Chrome with just a few simple steps. If you encounter any issues along the way, most VPN providers have support teams ready to help. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.